All right, so just see back here, I'm actually editing the video you're watching. Um, I never talk, and it's very I'm trying to get better on the channel about actually explaining some things what I do. So this is going to be a very quick version. The car you're seeing here today is a 2011 Camaro manual LS3 with an On3 turbo. It's a 75 millimeter, and the guy's looking for a nice driving tune, and he has a boost logic controller, I believe. That will change the boost based off of settings. Really easy, tap up, tap down once it's set up. The setup is a little bit wonky, but just wanted to explain a little bit of what we did. The car ended up starting out at like 400 horsepower, and one of the cool things that we're able to do is this car can now pretty much run on 4 settings: low boost 93, low boost E85, high boost 93, and high boost E85. On low boost, it's making like 480 on pump, 530 on E85. On high boost pump, it's making 600, and then high boost E85 is making 670 and 735 torque. So real stout. Wanted to keep it around 10, 12 pounds of boost to sort of, make it real streetable, easy on the car, drive it forever, pretty conservative on timing, air fuel's dialed in. So that way he's able to drive it, enjoy it for a long time to come. And like I said, I just want to get some context in there. I'm going to post up an idle rev video, a little bit of a pull, and then a dyno sheet at the end. So hope you guys enjoy, and just wanted to point out, like I said, the cool ways you can set up things to where he doesn't have to do anything but hit up on the boost controller for the higher boost levels, and the E85 content and timing will automatically correlate to what fuel he's using in the car. And then I was able to set up the tune to where on low boost it's still got a lot more timing, and in high boost it pulls that timing out. Of course, it'll add timing on E85. So anyways, enjoy the video. Thanks.